Addiction, it is more than a choice, according to leaders at Cooley Recovery Center.
Well, La Crosse is working to try to solve homelessness in the city. And as News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstead explains tonight, this is a complicated issue.
There are a variety of resources in La Crosse to help people who are suffering from addiction. However, many people struggle to ask for the help they need, and city leaders say the community has to overcome the stigma before they can solve this problem. Addiction and homelessness are not unique to La Crosse.
The solution can't be to look at the entire population as the same.
La Crosse addiction experts say people who suffer from addiction go wherever they feel they belong.
For them, that's their place to live. For them, that's their family to be around and to be supported.
Cheryl Hancock says addiction and untreated mental health issues drive people into deep holes they cannot climb out of alone.
One of the gentlemen that we service here is a veteran and has PTSD, and that's what drove his substance use. He was self-medicating.
The people who live in La Crosse's Huska Park have similar stories.
You know, there's really multiple different issues when it comes to a population that sometimes just gets lumped into one group.
La Crosse Mayor Mitch Reynolds wants to hire a homeless coordinator who can focus on the deep-rooted issues that create this scene.
And we can't ignore them, and we can't pretend they don't exist, and we can't shelter necessarily our children from seeing them. They have to understand that there are people in our society who have needs that are greater than our own.
Often these people are harshly judged for their lifestyle. Hancock says no one living in Huska Park wants to be there. She's heard their stories. This is just one of them.
But her parents thought she was out partying and that she was out, getting high and having a good old time. She would sit in a room and use by herself, experience that, and then within a half an hour, 45 minutes, she would have to be figuring out, where am I going to get more money to buy again? Because she knew that within hours, she was going to be experiencing withdrawals. And so many times it's that stigma that people think they're just out partying. It's a lonely life.
Hancock says solutions are born out of understanding and recognizing it appears they made a choice. The experts will tell you they really are trapped. Now, Mayor Reynolds says this population is worth investing in. Having these people in one location also helps city leaders find them so they can get more resources to them.
All right, thanks so much, Jordan. And as far as the scope of drug overdose deaths in La Crosse, just last year there were 40. That's nearly double the previous year.